In many futuristic animation films, like The Secret of Kells, nature symbolizes hope and resilience. This film showcases animated forest landscapes that thrive alongside advanced technology, promoting environmental conservation. By contrasting vibrant flora with urban structures, these animations address the balance between growth and sustainability. For instance, characters often enter lush, magical environments that reflect their inner journeys and the importance of preserving nature in an era of rapid development. Ultimately, these narratives invite viewers to contemplate humanity's relationship with the Earth and inspire a future where technology and nature coexist harmoniously.